like to invite all of us to go into meditation together. And I would like to invite you to name an area or a place where there might be a struggle, a place where there might be some fear, a place where there might be something incomplete that you can bring into this awareness now, and invite the opportunity to release, surrender, or forgive. This could be work, money, relationships, expectations that we might be clinging to. So, if you would please, just close your eyes. Allow yourself to relax into the space that you're in right now. If you're joining us online, if you're at home, if you're sitting or laying down, whatever that looks like, just allow yourself to be fully present. And as you're breathing, just notice any areas in you where there might be some tension. It could be in your jaw, could be in your shoulders. Just bring your breath, your attention to that area. And when you exhale, allow that area to soften. And so if you have a particular thing that you're thinking about right now, ask what there is to release. Ask what there might be to surrender to. Investigate to see if there's some forgiveness that can be brought into it. It's okay for you to imagine right now that this is like floating down a lazy river. We want to get to that place of allowing ourselves to just be in the flow of life. And you can even think of it as you're letting this thing go, to flow on its own, to flow away from you. It's done now. There's no need to hang on, to cling on to it. You can think of this as a mantra. I release, I surrender, I forgive, I flow. And so we invite the past to remain in the past. And we can think of it as right now. This is the time. Right now is the time of your life. Let all other things be released. And if you'd like, you can silently affirm to yourself, I move with life. I trust this rhythm. I am in the flow. And I'll invite you to stay in this moment of surrender and allow you to just be in this, to be fully invested in this space. And take a nice deep breath in and let that go. Namaste.